Hey, it's John Clay from SOS Physiotherapy, and I'm here at Valey Golf and Country Club on a windy Wednesday, but we're kind of tucked in behind the trees, so hopefully you can hear me okay. We're advertising our Fit for Golf workshop this Saturday, May 11th at 10 a.m. We're going to talk all things golf. We're going to talk swing tips to help your game, swing tips to help prevent injury. But when you do get injured and you're feeling sore on the golf course, we're going to give you things that you can do to make yourself feel better. Have yourself a pain-free summer of golf. Why not? It's beautiful out here. I got my Canucks hat on. We're ready for the Oilers-Canucks series tonight, May 11th, this Saturday, 10 a.m. Come and see us at our new location in Guelph. Right afterwards, we're having our big open house, prizes, giving away a free Yeti cooler. The mayor will be there. We're cutting ribbons, food, the whole works. Click the button to register for the golf workshop. We hope to see you on Saturday.